Unfortunately, you can't directly delete your YouTube channel through your YouTube mobile app on your Android device. You need to use YouTube Studio via a web browser. So follow these steps to delete your YouTube channel. First, open a web browser on your Android device and go to YouTube Studio by typing studio.youtube.com. Sign in your Google account that is linked to your YouTube channel. Once you are logged in, locate the menu on the left sidebar and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Channel and then select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to find the Remove YouTube Content option and click on it. You may need to sign in again for verification. You will see two options. I want to hide my channel and I want to permanently delete my content. Select I want to permanently delete my content. You will get a verification message explaining what will be deleted, confirming by checking the two boxes to acknowledge you understand what will be deleted. Finally, click delete my content to permanently delete your YouTube channel. Now here you have to type your email address again. So type your email address here and then tap on delete my content. And we are done. As you can see that my YouTube channel has been deleted, and that's how you can also delete your YouTube channel. Hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.